Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville here in South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this Bennington 25 QSB with a 400 Mercury Verado on it. This boat is 2020 and it is a brokerage boat. It has roughly 300 hours on it. It's the swing back configuration. Outside you can see Rosa red. It's got the swing back. It's got the keeper rail, ski tow bar. Of course, the Mercury 400 motor. Got the speakers on the back here on the grill that do light up, RGB lighting, flip back, swing back, bimini top. It's got the dual captain's chair with the dual windshields. It's got the 9-inch Simrad in this boat, Rockford Fosgate stereo, in-floor storage, bow filler, flip down armrests. So lots of room on this boat. Being the Bennington QX, cladded tower, electric up and down tower. There's the captain's chairs. So come on out, check this boat out. A lot of cool features, big boat. It's hard to get a horsepower of this size new. It's hard to even get a QX right now. So having this boat in stock is really nice for us. It's going to be up on our MarineMax site. You can check it out at MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can come and see us at the store. Love to show it to you. Or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Once again, this is a 25-foot Bennington QX swingback with a 400 Mercury on it.